drives us there. We had Kevin and Lexus on the first leg of the journey from Vegas, and Gabe's running the last run in. Coming up on Big Bear and Palm Springs and all that good stuff as we approach the venue for Coachella. We will keep you guys posted. Once again, thanks for joining us on Trade Show Chronicles of Black Ops Show Services. We will be doing an install today at this event, and we will keep you guys posted as we progress. As always, Black Ops out. Good morning. We're with him.
With the band?
Yes. Refrigerated trailer. There's a nice trailer wide too. Hey, don't hold me up. I ain't got all day. You're holding me up. Hey, good morning. Trade Show Chronicles. We are here this morning. We made it safely to Coachella 2025. We're here in the desert of California, baby. That's right. Y'all didn't know California is a desert just like Vegas, dang it. Southern Cal? Yes, it is. SoCal. All those trees were imported. None of that stuff was here. If you didn't know, you think you're in Vegas. Honestly, same landscape. But anyway, we're here in the truck receiving area. Unload our goodies and do our work and build our stuff. So we're here with the guys. Got Gabe over here. We're just walking around. Got Alexis and Kevin in the rig waiting for us to get our... Say hello to the YouTube guys. Come on, let's smile for the camera. There we go. So we're just gonna wait to be let in. And once we get let in, we're gonna go to work. Do what we do. Show business, baby. Show business. So yeah, man, this is pretty cool here. I'm gonna walk down a little bit, see what I can see. But yeah, thank you for joining us here. Trade Show Chronicles. This is Devin's rig, pulling this big fine trailer. With the stuff we're gonna be building is in that trailer right there, folks. This is Devin's rig. So we're gonna get crack-a-lacking. Yes, Steadfast is the display house that we're working with here on this job, and some other jobs we got coming up as well in 2025 and 2026 with the Steadfast. Great people. I've known Devin and Sean for a very long, many years. So I'm just out here showing you guys some behind the scenes stuff here at Coachella 2025 loadout area. Go over here with my buddy, see what's crack-a-lacking. It's a beautiful day in the desert, Palm Desert, baby. Palm Desert. You see all those trucks back here in the corner, those are reefers. They call them reefers, the refrigerated truck for the food items. Over here. Look at those 18-wheelers lined up, buddy. Lined up. They come back with the truck show. They are here. Hey, Dev, need me for anything? Need me for anything?
No.
Okay, all right, just want to make sure, buddy. All right. So yeah, folks, the Palm Desert, Coachella 2025, Palm Desert, baby. You're here with us.
My footage.
It will be
Best
got.
movie.
Oh Lord, look at them t-shirts, man. This is our stuff. They ain't playing, man. Got this water in it and everything. Just the last week that we had the stations.
Oh yeah, it's racing.
Stagecoach is the country western thing. Let's go. Hey YouTube, Dennis Taylor here, Black Ops Show Services, Trade Show Chronicles. We're here, of course, at the Coachella Festival here. But I just want to give a little disclaimer. We're not allowed to do any filming here, so I am literally giving a little disclaimer video for my audience to let you guys know. So it's going to be a little, little segue in between when I can show you things and I can't show you things. So just want to let you guys know we cannot film at this time in here. So I was approached and asked not to film. So just letting you guys know, a little disclaimer, can't film now. Hey, Black Ops out, see you in a little while. Our guys are out here, as you can see, doing the thing. Doing a little building.